Wild, or Fuller's Teazle, which grows naturally across much of Europe, Asia, and North Africa, as well as being introduced in the Americas, Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa, is familiar at this time of year, notable for its purplish-green flower heads, and I've been seeing lots by the riverside at my local nature reserve, where they reach heights of up to 1.5 meters. An herbaceous biennial in the family Caprifoliaceae, Teazle produce thistle-like flower heads in their second final year, exuding shimmering cylinders of bristles. From afar, Teazle flower heads look like soft, rosy-streaked green ovals, but on closer inspection are fuzzy as hedgehogs, dangling masses of innumerable prickles. The conical flower heads are composed of tiny flowers, or florids, numbering up to 2,000 per head. The florids contain 4 male and 1 female organs. In bud, the flowers are protected by spine-like bracts, tapering like tiny knives and lengthening as they near the flower head's apex. Further green bracts arrow from the base of the flower head and curve upwards, bristled by spines, while the Latin prefix dipsacus is drawn from the stem leaves habit of forming cup-shaped structures trapping water, dipsacus meaning thirst for water. This has led to the adoption of Venus cup as one of many common names. Replacing the woodland redolent sylvestris, the suffix phelonum has more prosaic origins. The flower heads were used to tease out wool by fullers in spinning mills, hence another aforementioned common name, Fuller's Teazle. Teazle is a very important plant in terms of biodiversity, feeding ladybirds, bees, wasps and birds. Comma butterflies and red admirals are attracted to Teazle's bounteous supplies of nectar, and insect-hungry tits are drawn in by the profuse available prey, while goldfinches, as we shall see, have also become associated with the plant. But Teazle has a grislier side, first documented by Francis Darwin. While the water-collecting leaves prevent sap-sucking aphids ascending the stems, researchers have demonstrated, by adding and removing dead insects from leaf bases, that seeds increase with the addition of insects, suggesting partial carnivory. Tall and bending in the breeze, Teazle line up like ranks of tribesmen by the waterways, or glimmer among swaying summer grasses, lilac wands striking spiky magic in the summer evening air. It isn't hard to see why artists, photographers, and poets have been inspired by the plants, and, over the years, they have made their mark on the English language by means of many names, including Fairy's Fire, Gypsy Combs, Johnny Prick the Finger, Lady's Brush and Comb, Shepherd's Staff, and Adam's Bathtub. Even once the flowers die, the plants attract attention for their flower heads. Like shrunken porcupines, the expired flower heads dot riversides, dry brown bonces nodding in the wind amid their younger green or purple cousins, through late summer and autumn, then on into winter. There is a barbed beauty about the expired flower heads, whose sharp spikes protect the plant's 4 to 6 millimeter seeds from almost all birds except goldfinches, whose razor-thin beaks are perfect for tweezering them out, and it is for this reason that the plants are specially grown on nature reserves and in gardens, boosting the numbers of these delightful birds, recovering from decline in the 70s and 80s. Teazle is distinctive in its purple-green spikiness, forming swathes of soft colour, blending against watery environments, and attracting a host of beneficial insects and birds to gardens, reserves, and open spaces. Even in its flowerless winter form, this beguiling plant plays a significant role in the ecosystem and is an important piece in the ecological jigsaw.